What's up, YouTube? This is Fat Gal again. I was actually supposed to make a video right after I got ready for work, but I didn't have enough time, so I didn't bother. But anyways, yeah, this is me somewhat probably done up today. I feel like wearing my colors. I wasn't born in Jamaica, but I was. Hold on a second. I just felt like wearing my colors today. Anyways, I don't know. Got off track. I was fixing my song, but anyways, yeah. So today just did a Jamaica look, representing where I'm from, from my background. But anyways, whatever. Off topic. I don't know. Like I said before, I'm just starting out on YouTube making my own videos. So this is the second, continuing from the first. And whenever I get a chance, I'll let you guys know what's up and what I'm up to, what I'm doing, you know all about it. But anyways, keeping this one short. Just coming from work, tired as hell. Made my money though, but whatever. I can't even think straight right now. So, but anyways, I don't know. If there's anything you want to know about me, just let me know and I'll let you know. Whatever it is, no boundaries. I don't know you, so you can't tell my business to nobody. You know what I mean? Not tell my business to the world, but you can't tell my business to nobody. But yeah, anyways. So, yeah, I'm out. Later, niggas.